sure about this, Uncle Grandpa?
Have I ever been wrong before? Oh, wait, yeah, I have. About me being able to help you.
Don't you think you're being a little tough on yourself?
If I was a little tough on myself, maybe we wouldn't have to be here right now. Stay put and wait for the doctor. There's no point in me being here.
Uncle Grandpa, where are you going?
That seems to be the trouble. I've been expecting you. At long last, a new patient to the ward. I understand you have an advanced case of the hiccups. I can certainly exterminate as a symptom.
Excuse me? I'm just gonna go find Uncle Grandpa.
Nonsense! You're with me now. Oh, yes. Excellent cheekbones, nicely shaped cranium, wonderful bicuspids.
What are you doing?
Just making sure you're fit enough to withstand the operation.
Operation?
Of course! How else do you expect to get rid of your hiccups? Now! What would be the appropriate tool for such a procedure? Oh, obviously, the butcher's hook. This tool hasn't been used since the last boy who came here with the hiccups. But his hiccups were only half as strong as yours. It took me 3 days to finally yank out the obstruction. Don't be foolish. You're only prolonging the inevitable.
Good morning, or afternoon, or night. Anytime is a good time to watch more Uncle Grandpa. Hit subscribe for more of your favorite Uncle G.